Now we have already gone through the Cartesian form of the equation. Now let p x comma y comma z be any point on the line equation of line in Cartesian form is x minus x1 upon L is equal to y minus y1 upon m is equal to z minus z1 upon n. Now we are having coordinates of any point on the line in terms of the parameter r. Now let r be the parameter, then x minus x1 upon L is equal to y minus y1 upon m, z minus z1 upon n is equal to r. Okay. So now we can write it, x minus x1 is equal to LR, y minus y1 is equal to MR, and z minus z1 is equal to NR. X is equal to x1 plus LR, y is equal to y1 plus MR, and z is equal to z1 plus NR. Hence, coordinates of point P are x1 plus LR, y1 plus MR, and z1 plus NR.